Quitting the secret code program stops user input, but wouldn't it be nice if it also closed the window for you? In today's lesson, you'll add a system exit to the program. System exit closes the window and ends the program. Hi, I'm Annette Gotland. I'm the author of the Do-It-Yourself Java Games books. I teach Java programming through creating games. Welcome to the video version of my books. We're currently in the text game video series, TG, the first of 4 types of games series. The focus of this series is to cover the fundamentals of Java programming. You'll learn how, when, and why Java programs are written the way they are. This series has 16 projects. Each project assumes you already have the skills taught in the previous projects. Unless you have other Java programming experience, I recommend that you do all the previous projects in this series before starting this project. A link to the entire Text Games playlist is provided in the description below. We're currently working on the 13th project, TG13, Secret Code. The Secret Code program lets you create secret messages to share with your friends like this. This is lesson TG13.7, where you'll learn to cleanly end a program using system exit. It's time to exit the program when the user chooses to quit. To exit a program, use System Exit 0. If you use System Exit to exit the program, it will also close the window. Exercise 1. Exit the program when the user wants to quit. Pause the video if you need more time in any of these exercises. If you want to see how I would complete any of the listings, please refer to the completed listings at the end of this video. In the constructor, add code to exit the program after the end of the while loop. Run it. What happened? When you choose to quit the program, it should close the window and end the program. Key points and more. System exit. Use System Exit 0 to close the program window and end the program. The parameter value of 0 is a return code. Use 0 to indicate the program ended normally. If your program ended abnormally, for example, if it hit an exception that you thought should just end the program, you could choose a different return value and document what that return value means. We will end all our programs normally, so my programs all exit with a return code of 0. Here are the completed listings for all the exercises in this video. This is the end of the 7th lesson. The Secret Code project is complete, and it's time to export your program to run outside of Eclipse. But unlike your previous projects, the Secret Code program needs a data file, the key text file, in order to run. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to ensure that a program can use a required data file when run outside of Eclipse.